Wait, Mike, quick question. You are a teacher, right?
Yeah, why?
So, what is the difference between I am tired, I have been tired, and I am being dramatic?
Oh no, you just opened a big door.
Because I hear people mix these up all the time, even people who have been learning English for years.
Right. And honestly, if you get this wrong, your English sounds broken, like something is missing.
Exactly. So today, we are going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use be, been, and being. No more guessing.
And trust me, once you understand this, everything clicks. Your speaking, your writing, it all gets cleaner.
So stay with us. This one is important.
Let's go.
Okay, so let's start simple. Mike, what is be?
So be is the base form of the verb, the root. Think of it like the mother of all these words.
Right, and from be, we get am, is, are, was, were, been, being.
Exactly. They are all forms of be, but they are used in very different ways.
So let's break them down one by one, starting with just be.
Okay, so be by itself, we use it in two main situations. First, after modal verbs, words like can, will, must, should, would.
Like, you should be careful.
Yes, or she will be here soon, or this must be the place.
So, after a modal verb, we always use be. Simple.
Simple. Okay, now been. This one is really important.
Been comes after have, has, or had, always.
Always. You will never see been without one of those words before it.
Like, I have been tired all day.
Or she has been waiting for an hour.
Or he had been sick before the trip.
And this is called the present perfect or past perfect tense. Been tells us that something happened in the past and it either connects to now or it happened over a period of time.
Right, so I am tired means right now, in this moment.
But I have been tired means I was tired before and maybe I still am. It happened over some time.
The feeling did not just start, it has been going on.
Exactly. Let's do a few more examples. I have been to Paris.
That means I visited Paris at some point in my life, before now.
It is a life experience. Have you been to Japan? No, I have never been there.
And she has been working hard lately. That means she started working hard some time ago, and she is still doing it.
Ongoing action. Been plus the ing form of the verb. That is the present perfect continuous. But do not worry about the grammar name, just know the meaning.
The action started before now and is still happening, or just recently stopped.
Perfect. Okay, now being. This one confuses people the most.
Yeah, being is a little different.
So being is the ing form of be, and we use it in two main ways.
First, after is, am, are, was, were. That is the passive voice or continuous tense.
Like, the house is being painted.
So, someone is painting the house right now, but we focus on the house, not the person.
Passive voice. The action is happening to something. A new school is being built in our town. The problem is being fixed.
And the second way we use being is to talk about behavior, how someone is acting at a specific moment.
Yes, this is my favorite one. Stop being lazy.
Are you talking to yourself?
Maybe. But you see, you are lazy is different from you are being lazy.
Oh, that is a really good point. You are lazy. That is like saying lazy is your personality. Always.
But you are being lazy means right now, in this moment, your behavior is lazy. It might not be who you always are.
So, being talks about temporary behavior, not permanent character.
Exactly. She is being very kind today. Maybe she is not always this kind, but today, right now, she is acting kind.
Or he is being difficult. He is acting difficult right now.
And you know what? This small difference can save you from offending people.
Very true. You are rude hits very differently from you are being rude.
One sounds like forever. The other sounds like just right now, stop it.
Okay, let's recap the three quickly before we move on.
Wait, quick pause. We actually built something for people who want to practice this kind of thing.
Yes, it is called Talk to Gemma. It is an AI English tutor we made right here at the Daily Dialogue.
You can go to talktogemma.com and start a 3-day free trial. People are using it to practice speaking, to prepare for IELTS-like exams, job interviews, even just daily conversation.
You can have a free talk session or choose a scenario like ordering at a restaurant, visiting a doctor, or doing a job interview.
Gemma listens, corrects your mistakes, and gives you real feedback. Students who use it are already seeing results, more confidence, better grammar, and some are even cracking IELTS-like exams.
The link is in the description and pinned comment. Go sign up. 3 days free. Okay, now let's get back to the lesson.
So, let's recap. Be after modal verbs like will, can, must, should, and after to.
Been after have, has, had talks about past experiences or ongoing situations.
Being after is, am, are, was, were for passive actions or temporary behavior.
Good. Now let's look at some real situations where people get confused.
Okay, situation 1. I have been very busy this week versus I am very busy this week.
What is the difference?
I am busy right now, today. I have been busy the whole week. It started Monday and it is still going.
Longer time period, more weight to the feeling.
Right. Situation 2. She's been late. Is that correct?
No, that sounds wrong.
Very wrong. It should be she has been late, because been always needs have, has, or had.
She's been. Never. Please.
Situation 3. The food is been prepared. Wrong again?
Also wrong. It should be the food is being prepared because something is happening to the food right now. That is passive continuous, is being.
So is being never correct. Is being correct for passive?
And has been correct for past up to now.
3 different things, totally different meanings.
Okay, here's a fun one. Where have you been?
Classic. Your mom calls and says, "Where have you been?"
Every teenager knows this question.
And the answer, "I have been at a friend's house."
Or, I have just been out.
See how natural that is? And notice we're talking about a period of time in the past up to now.
All right, let's talk about something people get wrong all the time. The phrase, it's been a while.
Oh yes, it's been a while, meaning it has been a long time since something happened.
Like, it's been a while since we talked.
Or, it's been a while since I ate pizza.
That is very specific.
I'm hungry, Sophia.
Okay, but see, that phrase uses been perfectly. It has been a while. Something started in the past, and up to now, it continues.
And you can use this phrase in so many conversations. It sounds very natural.
Very fluent, actually. Native speakers say it all the time.
All right, let me give a small vocabulary note here. Sometimes you hear the word temporary. It means not permanent, not forever, only for a short time.
Yes, we used it earlier. You're being lazy. That is temporary behavior, not your permanent character.
Good. And ongoing. That means something is continuing, still happening. Like she has been studying. Ongoing, still continuing.
2 good words to know.
All right, so Sophia, let's make this more real. I'm going to say something and you tell me, is it be, been, or being?
Okay, go.
He must blank joking.
Be. He must be joking. Modal verb, must, so we use be.
Correct. Next, I have blank thinking about you.
Been. I have been thinking about you. After have, always been.
Very romantic example, Sophia.
I was thinking of a song, okay? Next one.
Okay. You are blank so annoying right now.
Being. You are being so annoying right now. Temporary behavior. Right now, so being.
Perfect. See, once you know the pattern, it becomes fast, natural.
It really does. And the more you hear it and use it, the more it sticks.
That is honestly how fluency works. You do not memorize grammar rules, you absorb patterns.
Right. You start to feel when something sounds wrong, even if you cannot explain why.
Exactly. Like if someone says, I have be here before, you just know something is off.
Because you have heard I have been here before so many times, your brain corrects it automatically.
That is the goal, that automatic correction.
And listening to podcasts like this, that is literally how you build that automatic sense.
Okay, we are not going to compliment ourselves too much.
But it is true. Input, listening, that's how language works.
All right, let's do a few more natural sentences with been, because I think people underuse it.
Yes, people say I am waiting when they should say I have been waiting.
Right. If you have been at a bus stop for 20 minutes, you do not just say, I'm waiting. You say, I have been here for 20 minutes.
With frustration in your voice.
Yes, because the time matters. 20 minutes is a long time. Been shows that time.
Or we have been friends for 10 years, not we are friends for 10 years.
Yes, that is a very common mistake. In English, when you say how long something has been true, you use have been.
I have been living here for 3 years.
She has been working at that company since 2019.
They have been married for 20 years.
Beautiful sentences, all using been to show duration.
And they all feel very complete, like there is weight to them.
Okay, let me ask you something, Sophia. Have you ever been to a place that totally surprised you?
Oh, yes, actually. I have been to the small town in Portugal. I do not even remember the name now.
A mystery town.
But it was so beautiful. I have never been anywhere so quiet in my life.
I have been to a few quiet places, but nothing like real silence, you know?
It is strange at first, but then it's peaceful.
And see, we're just using been naturally in conversation now. I have been to Portugal. I have never been anywhere so quiet.
It just flows. That is the goal.
All right, one more thing I want to cover. Being in passive sentences, because this one comes up a lot.
Oh, yes, especially in news, on TV, in formal writing.
Right. A new law is being discussed.
The road is being repaired.
The package is being delivered.
You see this pattern. Is being plus the past participle of the main verb. It means the action is happening right now and it is happening to something.
The subject is receiving the action, not doing it.
And in past, the building was being constructed last year.
Was being, for past passive continuous. Something was happening to something over a period of time in the past.
This is a little advanced, but it's good to know.
And honestly, you hear it all the time in news reports. The investigation was being conducted by police.
Vaccines were being distributed across the country.
Once you know the pattern, you recognize it everywhere.
And you sound very educated when you use it correctly.
Very academic. So let's do a final summary before we wrap up.
Okay. Be, root form. Use after modal verbs will, can, must, should, would. And after to. Example, she will be here. I want to be better.
Been, past participle, always comes after have, has, or had. It connects past to present. Example, he has been sick. I have been here before.
Being, present participle. Use after is, am, are, was, were. For passive voice or temporary behavior. Example, the car is being fixed. Stop being rude.
3 forms, 3 different jobs. 1 amazing verb.
Be the hardest worker in English. Truly, it does everything.
Okay, question of the day time. This is where you practice what you just learned.
Here is your question. Complete this sentence. I have been studying English for blank years, and then tell us, have you ever been to an English-speaking country?
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one.
And if you can write 2 or 3 sentences using be, been, or being, even better.
Show us what you learned. Let's see those comments.
All right, everyone, that is a wrap for today.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. It really helps our channel grow and reach more English learners like you.
And if you are new here, welcome. We post every single day. Every day there is a new episode, new conversations, new grammar, new vocabulary.
Subscribe so you never miss one. Hit that bell too so YouTube actually notifies you.
Here is something that really helps. Watch 1 episode every day. Even just once a day builds your fluency over time, like going to the gym. Consistency is everything.
And speaking of practice, do not forget talktogemma.talktogemma.com. It is our own AI tutor. You can sign up for free 3-day trial and start speaking English today. No waiting. Just talk and learn to speak fluently in English.
The link is in the description and pinned comment. Thousands of learners are already using it. Some are even passing IELTS. Go check it out.
All right. Thank you so much for watching today. We will see you tomorrow.
Same time, same place. Bye for now.
Bye.